Hello friends, I'm going to start a series of videos that will be based on a book that is called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is a very influential book if you want to learn public speaking. I am going to share 3 stories based on a chapter of this book, and at last you all have to guess that what is common in all the 3 stories. The first story is based on a 10-year-old boy who is working in a factory in Naples in Florida, United States. So he wanted to be a singer, but his first teacher told him that he don't have a voice at all or his voice is horrible. So he went to his mother, who was a poor peasant. She used to work on farm. So when he approached his mother, then his mother appreciated him for whatever development he is making even after working in factory. So he was little bit encouraged by what his mother said. After that, gradually his mother did hard work and walked on barefoot to her working place just to save little money for the music classes of this 10-year-old boy. His mother's encouragement and praise has changed the life of that boy, and he came out to be a very fine opera singer of United States named Enrico Caruso. You can search it on Google also. The second story is also going to fill you with enthusiasm because it is of around early 19th century. It is about a young boy who was living in London and wanted to be a writer. Everything seemed going against him because he never attended school for more than 4 years, and his father was also flung in jail because he couldn't pay his debt. This young man knew the plight of hunger, and finally he got a job in a company pasting labels on bottles in a rat-infested warehouse. He was living in a room nearby the warehouse, which was in a dilapidated and shabby condition. He has to share his room with 2 other boys. He had a very little confidence in his writing, but still he used to wake up at night and write the manuscripts and the stories, because at the daytime people will make mockery of him and will laugh at him. That's why at night he used to write and mail it to the publishers, and most of the writings got rejected because of not having quality in it. But gradually he kept on writing, and once there was an editor who recognized his writing and praised his skills. But when he got to know that his writings has got recognition from one editor, then he was completely thrilled, and he was wandering aimlessly on the streets with tears rolling down his cheeks. Then he came in contact with the editors, he wrote rigorously, and he improved his writing skills. And the praise that he has got for just one writing that he has sent to the editor, that has changed his whole life. Otherwise he had to spend his whole life in that rat infested warehouse. So by the way, I am going to reveal the name of this person, and you may have heard his name. His name is Charles Dickens. He was a famous writer. So there is another story of London where a young boy was working as a clerk in a dry goods store. He had to wake up at 5 o'clock, sweep out the store and work like a slave for next 15 hours. He never liked his job and he despised it also. So after 2 years of slavery, he decided to run away from that place. So next morning he woke up, he tread around 15 miles to reach his mother, who was a housekeeper. Now he was talking in a very frantic manner to his mother and telling that I am not going to work in that dry goods store, and if he have to go to that place again, then he is going to kill himself. Now he wrote a letter to his school headmaster. His school headmaster realized his condition and told that I want a very intelligent teacher. So he called that boy and told that you can be a teacher. Now he started giving training to that young boy, and he transformed him into a teacher, and he encouraged him regularly that you can be a good teacher. Now he became a teacher as well as writer, and if I reveal the name, then you all will get shocked. His name is H.G. Wells, and one book that I have read of H.G. Wells is The Invisible Man. Now if you all have guessed that what is the single thing that is coming common from all these 3 stories, then go into the comment section and write it. Now I'm going to tell you, it is encouragement. Yes, my friends, encouragement works wonder. Now we have seen the situations around that the person who gets support from the parents, family, friends, they reached at the highest stature. Now why they reached? Because their willpower, their spirit get strengthened because of the backing support that they are getting from their parents, relatives. So in your life also, the people around you, if they need encouragement, they are putting in their effort, in their passion, then I will better suggest you that you must go to them and you should support them. You should give backing force, or whatever, in whatever way you can help, just go and help them. A small story that I also wanted to add here is about the Pete Barlow, who was a friend of Dale Carnegie. When Dale Carnegie was observing him, he was basically a trainer of the dog. So he was training his dog, and even at the slightest improvement, he was offering meat. He patted and praised the dog. Now, when Dale Carnegie asked him that why he was giving so much hospitality to that dog, even the dog is showing the slightest improvement, then he told that encouragement makes the learning process faster. He also added that if we continuously condemn a person, then his willpower or morale will go down and his improvement will get degraded. So that's the lesson of today's video, and I hope you will like it, and later on I'll make some more videos based on this book of public speaking.